Hello guys, welcome to Trending Hunter channel, your ultimate destination for navigating world of trading. I am John, your guide on this thrilling journey through markets, strategies and all things trading related. Join me as we uncover valuable insights, explore techniques and hunt down all the best trading opportunities together. So let's get dive into it. Today our topic is crypto trading 101. Cryptocurrency trading has emerged as a lucrative avenue for investors seeking opportunities in the over evolving digital landscape. Whether you are a newcomer or a seasoned trader, understanding the fundamentals is key to navigating this dynamic market actively. Understanding the basics, embark on your crypto trading journey by grasping the fundamental concepts. Explore what cryptocurrencies are, how Bitcoin technology functions, and the significance of decentralized networks. Establishing this groundwork lays the foundation for informed decision making. Getting started, the first step in crypto trading involves selecting a reliable exchange platform. Learn the ropes of setting up an account, verifying your identity, and securing your assets through reputable wallets. Prioritize security measures to safeguard your investments against potential cyber threats. Essential trading strategies dive into the core strategies that empower successful trading and awares. From day trading to long term investment approaches explore risk management techniques, portfolio diversification, the utilization of technical analysis tools. Discover how these strategies can help you navigate the market's validity and optimize your trading performance. Staying informed, the crypto market is highly volatile and infected by various factors. Keep abreast of market trends, news, updates, regularly change and technological advancements. Leverage reputable sources and analytical tools to make informed decisions and adapt to market fluctuations. Physiological discipline, emotions often cloud judgment is trading. Cultivate emotional discipline and stick to your trading plan. Learn to manage fear and greed as these can lead to impulsive decisions. Consistency and adherence to a preferred strategy are key elements for success. Risks and rewards. Understand that crypto trading involves inherent risks. Acknowledge the potential for substantial gains alongside the possibility of significant losses. Invest only what you can afford to lose and consider seeking advice from financial professionals for a well rounded perspective. Conclusion. Crypto trading offers a realm of possibilities for those willing to believe into this dynamic space. By mastering the fundamentals, adopting strategic approaches, staying informed, and maintaining physiological discipline, individuals can navigate the crypto market more confidently. So that was it for today, guys. I hope you like the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.